Hey everybody, Pop here, Outdoor Adventure Team. Today I'm at the cabin getting ready for hunting season. I'm getting ready to sight in my 6.5 Creedmoor and the 7mm, and I'm gonna do it with the Tacticam shoot-through scope. And practice with that a little bit so I don't screw anything up for hunting season. And I of course film with the GoPro, show you guys if I'm on or off. Alright, I'm gonna head up to the shooting bench and we'll start throwing lead downwind. I'm set up here. We're at 100 yards. I'm gonna put you back up there, that way we could both see if I flinch or anything, and we'll have the Tacticam to see what's going on through the scope. So, alright, I'll just throw you up here and maybe. Yeah, we'll see how that works. I forgot the action gets in the way, the Tacticam gets in the way of the action. I'll have to go down and bring up the wrenches and move it up and tighten it. Got it. All right, we're good to go. That's not good. Yeah, check that out. I don't think I hit all three. Let's go take a look. Well, I'm hitting it. I'm not sure if this was one or this was two. Son of a gun. I'm betting this was the first shot, because I'm always to the left with the clean bore shot. Alright, I'll take a third shot and see where that ends up, and we'll go from there. Alright, all the way back to the bench. Well, getting this thing to stay put is a pain in the butt, so you're staying there. Well, that one was right by the bullseye, but that one's by the bullseye. You know, load. Let's go check it out. Well, let's see where that one wound up. Those two, and I'll start the new box and we should be good to go. Yeah, here we go. I'm sure 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one, next two will be right in there, and we'll be good to go. And back we go. Another look at our beautiful cabin. Pavilion, our tractors. Gorgeous day here for November 19th. Our new mural. All right, 2 more rounds and we could be out of here. All right, we'll try it from that angle. New box. All right, new box. Just a little low. And to the right. Man, this gun's acting up. Dead center but low. That went in the same hole as the last round. One more. It goes near those last two shots. I'll move it up about an inch and we'll be good. Oh, let's take a look. All right, here we go. Got two touch in there, right there. It's a kill. Here are kill shots. Aim for the chest. I'm gonna shoot one more, see where it goes. I'll cover a couple of these up. All right. Cover these two up and I'll know about those. Okay. One more shot and then we're gone. Alright, it's yeah, barrel's cool. See the GoPro batteries in the yellow. Thinking low and to the left. Same plane as the ones low and to the right. It's a little to the left of the bull. That's good. I'll kill something with that. Alright. That's going to be it for today. Film for hunting season. Thanks for watching, folks. Hit that like and subscribe button if you don't mind. Thank you.